Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to fix cracks in Mercedes MB-Tex upholstery. As you can see here, we've got cracks in these typical locations on the side bolsters of the driver's seat. We already replaced the bottom cushion once, and we don't want to do that again. So we're going to work on fixing these cracks. The thing about Mercedes MB-Tex is that it's not leather. In fact, it's actually vinyl. And it's made up of a layer of vinyl and then another clear layer on top. And this is their version of a sort of imitation leather. The challenge is when it comes to repairing it, we're not quite sure which product to use. So we thought we'd give it a try with a leather repair kit. Certainly proceed at your own risk, but here's our results and you can decide for yourself. So here's the leather repair kit. We got black for our charcoal MB-Tex. And 100% satisfaction guaranteed. All right, let's dive in. So inside we have the instructions and some promo cards. And we've also got this backing fabric if you've got a really bad tear or crack, a little mixing container, and a paintbrush. And the tubes of black and white, which is important even if you think you have straight black upholstery. It's probably a very dark gray, so it's important to mix in some white with this mixing spatula to get the right blend to match your upholstery. Of course, if you have a different color, you would get the color repair kit and mix those colors to match. I guess we're fortunate because we're only working with the charcoal. Now, there is, again, the fabric and the mixing container and the paintbrush. We're not going to need that because our tears or our cracks are not that bad. So let's get started mixing. We're going to start by putting the black first, and then we're going to add a little bit of white to get to the color that matches our MB-Tex. And your MB-Tex may be different depending on how long your car is out in the sun and which area of the seat you're doing. So keep testing and start with a little bit of white and add more as you go. So we're going to start by adding a little bit here, and then we're going to start mixing it up. When you're mixing it up, you want to be sure that you mix it thoroughly so that it all comes out to a nice even color so that every area of the repair matches as best as possible. And again, just do your best, take a little bit at a time, only add a little bit at a time, and that way you won't need to add black again. And if you do get to do that, that's okay. Just keep going until you get it just about right. Better to have a little bit of patience here and get it right when you do the mix. All right, let's get started filling in these cracks. Now the first step is to prep the area, and you're going to want to clean the MB-Tex with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. The reason to do this is so that the repair material adheres well around the crack. Alright, let's get started filling it in. Now, as you can see, we're using the spatula at first to fill this really deep crack. And there's the paintbrush, but we found to apply a little bit more material, it helps to use the spatula at first. Now be careful here, go a little bit at a time, and take your time. Alright, now after that, you can come back with the paintbrush and start to smooth the area over. Now bear in mind, this isn't going to be perfect, and your results may vary. You may want to do a test area first before you do it in a very noticeable area. After you've applied it, you can come back with a little bit of wrinkled plastic, and that helps mimic the texture. It's not perfect, but again, it helps a little bit. Alright, now let's take a look at the results after it's had some time to dry. Not too bad. The bottom cushion, we had to do a little bit more repair there to prevent the crack from going further. And a lot of this depends on the light that you look at it. But overall, it came out pretty good. And that crack's not going to grow anymore, which is important. Now, the top bolster had a little bit of a larger crack. And it looks pretty bad from some angles. However, again, it really depends upon the light and how you're looking at it. So if you get it in a certain lighting, it doesn't look too bad at all, actually. So if we tilt the light here a little bit, you can see it does kind of start to hide it. And it certainly looks better than it did before. So this is what it looked like before. As you can see, the material underneath clearly showing, the cracks growing, and this is what it looks like now. Pretty good. Again, it's not perfect, but it's going to hold it to prevent it from cracking further. And the blend is pretty good as far as the color and everything. We really took our time with this to get the color match as best as possible. Again, on the top, it really depends on the lighting. That's probably the best lighting on the top there. And it's not too noticeable. And also, we should mention, this doesn't come off on clothing or anything like that. We even had time to do a little spot in the back where one of the seat belts, when we folded the seats down, had caused a little tear in the back. And even small little tears like that clean up pretty well. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope this helps you fix your MB-Tex upholstery, and we hope you have a great day.